In this video, I will show you how to use journal templates to create a journal. Click on New Journal and select Use Templates. Templates are pre-designed journals where you simply need to fill in your content. You can filter templates based on your needs by clicking on the top buttons. Here, I am selecting the personal category templates for my Dreams and Goals journal. Click on the Use Template button, then enter a title and description for your journal. Click on Save, and your journal will be ready with all its predefined moments. Enjoy journaling.